out to Merrifield's Nursery. This is one of our local nurseries here in Virginia. And what area are we in?
We are in Manassas.
I forget because we live in Quantico, but you know we make our drive out here all the time. So yeah, we're in Manassas, in Virginia, and this is one nursery that if anybody's around here, they need to come and see. So today we're going to be shopping for some fall beauties. So we've been dabbling already. We've been going around to other local nurseries, and I thought that today we go ahead and show you this one, a little bit of it. So I see a lot of beautiful stuff. Let's see what we can grab. I'm looking for a few things, maybe Rebecca, something like that. So I'll have Ambrose show you because there's a lot of beautiful things that they have in display. So look at this. How gorgeous is this right here? Anybody that, you know, is a little lost on, that would love some inspiration, you know, not just lost, but inspiration on planters, on what to do for fall. How gorgeous is that? The grass, and I think that's Rebecca right there. You got your potato vine, your creeping Jenny, and this is just so beautiful. This is what I really love to plant for this time of year in fall. Isn't that just gorgeous? Beautiful display, a good way to be able to give you some great ideas. Look at this over here.
Move it, baby. Move it, body.
Reason why we don't want to get rid of our proven winners limelight trees. Look at that price. Yeah, I think we'll take them with us on our next move.
Move it, baby. Move it, body.
So look what I just found here. So this right here is an anemone from Proven Winners, and I have been seeing this beauty everywhere we've been going. This one's called Fall in Love Sweetly. It is beautiful, and you know, right now we just have this going on. Like I said, we have a whole lot of other things that we took with us, and I'm very, very tempted to take this one. Now this one blooms from summer to fall, early fall, and you might be saying, well, why won't you take it? Like it said, early fall. I'm not sure if it's really gonna, you know, if it's going to continue giving something for us. So this is something to think about. If I don't take it here, I'll think about it more, and maybe we'll make another stop somewhere else. But it's a beautiful one. It has a double bloom as well. Look at that. And I want to have some type of pink in the bed. This would just be perfect. I don't know, maybe we should try it just so it can be there for a little bit. Still has quite a bit of buds. I think it needs to come with us. Sorry, it's just, you know, it happens at the nursery, right? You just, I know. The good thing it's a perennial. I'm not sure if it's going to continue giving us more and more. This one has a bunch of flower buds still. This one's still sprouting some. I'm telling myself we're still having warm weather.
Yeah. Well,
I think we need it.
all right, so one of the hardest parts about coming to the nursery together is that we are both so undecided on what we want to get. We're doing fall planting, so we're trying to, we come here with the plan and then that plan goes in the trash as soon as we get off the truck. So
We're doing good. We're doing good right now. We're actually, I went to visit the hellebores because I do want to add hellebore to the backyard. What else? I stayed away from the panties and violas. I'm a sucker for violas. That's my favorite flower. What else did we do? I know we needed for sure. So this is the thing. We're gonna stop here and talk about it. I went ahead and grabbed some. I know that for a fact these are gonna keep going. The marigolds.
yep.
Then we got the black eyed Susans.
Yep.
We know that for a fact these are going to keep. You know, the Rebecca is gonna keep going for us.
Oh, yeah.
Quite a bit. You know. November is when was really good.
Yep. So November. About
frost.
yeah, that's when they're gonna start. I think last year, that's the year prior is when our Rebecca's stopped blooming so much.
Yeah, and then the anemone, like I said, that right there is something that I'm taking a chance on because it takes until early, from summer bloomer all the way to early fall, and we're in early fall. So
Yep. All right, so we're gonna continue our trip because the sky is looking pretty dark. Hopefully it doesn't rain on us. It's not even that late. I think it's only like 4:30 or so.
yeah, we would love to actually take y'all around to see, because there's so many things here. David Austin roses too. But
Yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and continue the little garden tour that we're providing you guys here, and along with picking out our fall plants. So let's continue with that.
What you want, what you need. Anything all you get, my love, cause you know it don't come for free. Every little thing you want, every little thing you need. Keep it all for yourself, my love, cause it really don't matter to me. I fell for you, I took the ball, I gave my heart every single time. I know the truth, I see your heart, you know I'm
so these right here are so pretty, and I don't know how to pronounce them right. So these are called bracteantha.
Straw flower.
Like a straw flower, I guess. It is a straw flower?
Yep.
I know they're known as forever flowers, something like that.
Everlasting flowers.
Everlasting flowers. Which I love them so much because they're very papery, and they're plants that you can cut and actually have indoors. They keep their color. That's why they're called, what did you call them? Everlasting flowers, because they keep their color. And can you hear that, guys? I hope y'all can hear it. And I love them so much because they keep their color, and these are just little flowers that you can take indoors. So that's something that I love. So we were looking for some more because we found some at another garden center a few days ago. But we don't need this many. They're like in big containers, so we're probably gonna head back to the other garden center on another day. Okay.
Okay, we're walking out, and Angie saw these ruffly violas, right?
Yes, I wanted to try to grow
Look at that.
like from seed, and I didn't arrive. The seeds never arrived, guys.
They have a ruffle, and they look pretty awesome. Look at that right there. See if you can see that on camera. Yeah, they have a ruffle to them. They look pretty
It's
awesome.
right here. Oh, gorgeous.
Yep.
We'll see.
Yeah,
That's on another one, on another trip.
Yep. All right, we're gonna head to the inside.
It's funny how you finally feel like yourself when you finally let someone in and give you some help. It's funny how you finally feel like yourself when you finally let someone in and give you some help. Hey, yeah, gotta get what you want, gotta get what you need. Better take all you get, my love, cause you know it don't come for free. Every little thing you want, every little thing you need. Keep it all for yourself, my love, cause it really don't matter to me. I know you're wrong, I feel the pain. You think I'm just some simple guy. I know the truth, I see your heart. You only have
All right, guys, so we just got done here at the nursery, and I hope you guys enjoyed this short little tour. Angie's walking away with the basket full of goodies there.
Super happy.
Super, super happy. So plenty of stuff for fall planting. Go ahead and load this onto the truck. I'll let Angie talk and close this one out real quick.
So we really hope you enjoyed this little video. I know we didn't get to show y'all everything that we would love to. This nursery is really big and there's always a lot of plants. We love it here too because they have a lot of Proven Winners plants. So if you're in the area, what is it, Manassas, Virginia, go ahead and look up Mary Fields Garden Center or Nursery. You're gonna find a lot of plants. So yeah, we found a lot of beauties and we can't wait to go ahead and fill up the front bed. And well, I think we should bring them back on another one. I want to come for indoor plants. We didn't get to take y'all to the indoor plant section.
Yeah, no, we didn't.
That's just another world in there. It's beautiful, but you know, I love it here, like I said, because there's a lot of ideas for not just containers, but for the landscape too. Okay, so we'll go ahead and leave y'all here. Get home, get some food. We have the other kiddos waiting for us too back home.
Yep, so that's gonna do it for the video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. We'll see you guys in the next one.